waited for this morning. Okay. Here's my mum. Mum. Hello.
Hi.
I'm about to go work out and go get my breakfast and that. Let's go do that. I'm not going to show you because it's the same as every other day, so I'm going to put yesterday's clip on this clip and then we're going to get into my workout. I mean, so workout, dress different, get yesterday's, but it's exactly the same as today. So. Cardio, my abs, my ups. You get more and some new ones. Add to a stack. My ups apart from cuddle. Pink out, please, fuck you. Coffee. And then we get sea salt, pepper, chili flakes, pink Himalayan, goods. Before you ask, yes, I do wake up demons again, always, every day, without fail. Syrup. And today I've got French toast, exactly the same, except instead of 150 grams of oats, 150 grams of blueberries, got 100 grams of blueberries with 2 low carb bread.
See you, love.
See you later.
Bye.
Mum's going to. Yeah, I love you. Bye. Here's a little bit of bread. Oh yeah. 2 bits of bread, like I showed you. One bit of bread and there's other bit of bread buried. Oh, a sip, a sip. Last sip, worst sip. Coffee. Last bite! Best bite! Busting, not disgusting. Banging. Banging, busting, not disgusting, delicious. Fuck's sake. I always fucking do that. Always think I called him, I'm not. Pink hat, don't just fuck you. We already done first bite, first sip, best sip. That is bussing, or disgusting. It is banging, busting, not disgusting, delicious. It's got protein, 1 scoop of protein, 1 scoop of amino, BCA, amino recovery, and also pre-workout. I'm a fucking nut, boy! Fucking get off, I'm fucking a good jerk. Last sip, best sip, pinky out, that's yours, fuck you. Workout time. I work out, work out.
Agora vai, caralho.
Depois que toma bala, ela perde a frescura. Depois que toma bala, ela perde a frescura. Encaixa meu piro na chota, encaixa meu piro na bunda. Encaixa meu piro na chota, encaixa meu piro na bunda. Bunda, 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 bunda. Toma bunda, 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 bunda. Encaixa meu piro na bunda.
Hoje eu tô louco de balão. Já que ele subiu pra mente, eu vou te dar só empurradão. Já que ele subiu pra mente, eu vou te dar só empurradão. Empurradão, 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 empurradão. Vou te dar só empurradão, empurradão, empurradão. Vou te dar só empurradão, 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 empurradão. Vou te dar só empurradão.
Várias mamas do bem que eu vou levar essa pra viela. Várias mamas do bem que eu vou levar essa pra viela. Vai ser papapá, 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 tcheca dela. Vai,
Agora vai,
perereca,
caralho.
vem, vem, perereca, vai, perereca, o quê? Vai, tcheca dela, vai, perereca, vem, vem, perereca, vai, perereca, o quê? Vai, tcheca dela.
Pode botar o 18 na frente que quer tá eles. É os Brotherhood, porra.
going to do these ones. Well, I'm going to do these ones. But I'm going to put yesterday's ones in there because I need to save battery and also save memory. Been 90s, my best so far. Done the SD. But yeah, don't know why I can't do it today. Because I only got 1 mil on me. Yeah. I need to get back to being fucking strong again. Annoying. Rose, what I'm going to do. But gonna have tomorrow, yes, he's in there. Exact same. This point in my deadlift today, I think it's only had 1 mil with me. I'm gonna have 2 mils with me. Better do it. Fuck! Do some bench rows as well. But yes, these are gonna be added in today. Fuck's sake! All of Wednesday's video's gone as well. Don't know what happened to Wednesday's video either. Half Tuesday's gone, half Wednesday's gone. This fucking tablet does fucking nothing. So now I'm gonna film Wednesdays tomorrow, next week now. So yeah, Thursdays it is then. Fuck's sake, annoying. Fuck's sake, all of Wednesday's video's gone as well. Don't know what happened to Wednesday's video either. Half Tuesday's gone, half Wednesday's gone. This fucking tablet does fucking nothing. So now I'm gonna film Wednesdays tomorrow, next week now. So yeah, Thursdays it is then. Fuck's sake, annoying. this meal, what it is 100 grams of what it called, blueberries, 50 grams of what's it, prawns, chili and prawns, with 50 grams of lean steak, and then more fucking prawns, and that's fancy steak, and then 50 grams of cheese, and a little bit, then some quinoa wrap with some of that in there. Let's get first bite, best bite. Season it up first. Himalayan salt from the fucking gods. And then chili flakes. And then pepper. First off, wet whistle. Pinky out down, Joyce, fuck you. Last sip, best sip. First bite, best bite. Oh yeah, 1 full egg. Bossing, not disgusting, delicious. It's banging, bossing, not disgusting, delicious. Let's get last bite, best bite. I piss off about deadlift as well. Annoying me that is. Fucking annoyed me. We will get shot though, we will. Fucking hell, we will. It's time on fucking minute, fucking will get shot. I'm sat outside again, even though I don't like sitting outside. I'm forced off to sit outside because it's a nice day. Bite, best bite, all in one. Add some more. Last bite, best bite, ASMR video. It's banging, busting, not disgusting, delicious. Get up. I should come ASMR to go. Last sip, best sip. Going down, pinky out, down out, chop yours, fuck. Yeah. Bossing. Bite, best bite, all in one. Add some more. Last bite, best bite, ASMR video. It's banging, busting, not disgusting, delicious. Get up. I should come ASMR to go. One bit. Giving up back time. Do it like muscles always. Need to take a part sometimes. Next meal if I have a nap is this digestion shit from gut health, digestion and shitting. You have trouble shitting, eat this. Yeah. And I've got some sticky rice, 100 grams sticky rice, 100 grams of garlic and herb prawns with a teaspoon of that shit there, and then put chili flakes, pepper, and salt and nuggets. Get a first bite, best bite. Banging, busting, not disgusting, delicious. Fucking banging, boy, I tell you. Yeah. First sip, best sip. Been getting that juice with you. Yeah, it's nice. Not the best, but it's still banging, buzzing, not disgusting, delicious. It's a simple, nice meal. You've got to do last sip, best sip. Last bite, best bite. But don't matter. I'm in bed now, so we're going to bed. So yeah, oh, sleep, nap, whatever. Power nap. And get up, get dressed, go out. So nap done. Let's get up, get dressed, and go fucking out. That was banging and needed. Yeah. So check this mic that I've bought ages ago. That I lost. I was trying to find for ages. Found it again. My dad did. He put it in a fucking bin. Don't know why, but he did. But yeah. Make audio sound better. $10 mic. And I'm off on a walk. Well, I'm going to town to get some sops and some more food and go a little bit casual. Let's go. Let's urge. Ah! I'm also chewing on 6 chewing gums. Now come a walk or work out. 6 chewing gums down the hatch. Down the hatch. Well, in the mouth, not down the hatch. Yeah. This is what I hoodie on. It was raining earlier and it's a bit breezy. Breezy excursions. Oh yeah. Right, so I made it to sticky old Chatham. Fucking shithole this is. It is a shithole, but it's my shithole. I'm always gonna fucking live here. Can't really complain about it. I was down here working and coffee and getting food and shit. So I can't really complain. But it is a fucking terrible shithole though. Terrible shithole. Yeah. Shithole, Chatham, boy. Get up. There's the sticks. Sticks as boy. There's more sticks there. Look at them. Sticks there. It's full of fucking cosmos everywhere. Cosmos there. Cosmos there. Cosmos there. Cosmos everywhere. Fuck's sake.
Small cappuccino, iced latte.
Cheers, love. We're going to fucking Republic because of the cup I fucking tried it in. I got it. I fucking just cross the coffee cup. Whoa! Republic shop. Ready to go. Next meal, let's expect if I can. Next meal is 100 grams of blueberries, 100 grams of Greek yogurt, and one cinnamon roll protein bar. With, I'd go and get some fucking rice cakes, 2 rolls of 4 later on. Yeah, 2 rice cakes. Rice cakes first. First bite, best bite. It's Oge. Absolutely banging, puffing, disgusting, delicious. Just nice. can't do it, fuck you. My brain calm, I'm back to. Fucking burning. Oh, I done it again. I wasn't recording. I lost by best bite. Wasn't fucking recording. Yeah. All done. We go get a fucking charger. Charging the plug. What a mug. Phone mug. It was fucking cool. I was meant to. And I lost by best bite. It was fucking recording. Fuck. Fucking charger. So I charged fucking leak in Townsend. We fucking have to charge it too. Bottle, £5. Shit in the coffee shop, apart from tablet fleet. Putting on and check shop and go get stuff. I'm back. They had nothing. It's only by recording. Didn't get it, Joes. Fuck you. Last sip, first sip. Or worst sip. Coffee. Let's get to moving. Change the straw, my shit. Holland Barracks, it goes all. Like to go into Holland Barracks, get a few things, innit? But yeah, I'll show you when I get in what I got. Just back to that to go. The fucking child I got shit. Let's go tour some shit. Don't tell anyone. Do all my shit apart from bags. Time see the bottle I tried. Check that Spider-Man bottle. Right. Scared. I'll pour the Monster, Red Bull, sugar-free Red Bull. All down in fuck's sake. Right, some sparkling water. Yeah, sure, fuck you. Jordan bought Jordan. Get my milk. Right, so what I got here is fucking 2 bits of low carb bread with like 50 grams of pasta, and on this side there's egg, egg, 2 grams of pasta, 50 grams of it's called herbs, garlic and herb, what is called garlic and herb, fucking cool. Remember, I got some whole bag of refrigerators, and then some rest of the egg whites. What they're called? These are called shrimp. Garlic herb shrimp. Let's get it. First bite, best bite. Let's go. Oh. Banging, busting up stuff in like this. Together. Mate, these are 10 times better than the plain ones. Always get one instead of the fucking plain one, mate. Fucking delicious, but just get a bit of the cheese. Good. Okay, go. Come out and open it. Like go gym, can't really open it. So I've been trying to open this for the last like 10 minutes. Fucking piss me off, bro. Fucking banging though. Chili sauce, bro. Half that now. Get some chili sauce. Chili sauce. Banging it is. Fucking stuck together it was. Fucking give me ages to fucking open it. Fucking cunt, mate. Cunt. Fucking my fanny, but yeah. Banging. Banging, busting, not disgusting. Delicious. It's spicy chili, mate. Very sauce. That's my best part. Best part. And chili, peri sauce. Banging, busting, not disgusting. I'm around downstairs of Costa in Rochester. I had to come in there because I wasn't called in. It's done better. Last bite, best bite. Let's do it these ones. Last bite, best bite. Delicious. So I'll try. I can come into Costa, Rochester. I'm meant to chat shopping, but none of them are open because I'm a bit late. But anyway, so I had to come into Costa because I'll go home. I'd burn lots of calories going up the hill, you know what I mean? So come into Rochester, down to Costa, fucking hit my meal, and then go home. So I did, if I went home first, I would have burnt more calories. I'm trying to put on calories, or burn calories. Yeah. I want to burn calories raw, but I do workout. I will not do workout. So yeah, I want to burn too many calories. That's why I've had to come into Costa downstairs. M&M looking at last sip, first sip. Thank you, don't look at you. Delicious. In this fucking Jamaican shop, ordering some jerk chicken with rice for tomorrow. We want to go to Ross, we're going to jerk chicken. Tomorrow morning, good to go. Coming 4, all here from not on just eat. 4, also I bought Saturday for Rob. Fucking dickhead Rob, yeah. So I'm ordering jerk chicken with tomorrow, it's fatty. Toilet, look at that toilet. It's fucking shitty as fuck, but I like it for some reason. But yeah, so I'm gonna get some jerk chicken for tomorrow. Because it's fatty and it's high fat, low carb day tomorrow. Get up. My high day because I've fucking loads tomorrow. Get up. Oh, I can't wait. Jerk chicken. Cheers, love.
Thank you very much.
See you later. Right, so it's my fit I wore today. Let's get into it. So, get into my accessories first. Right, come on. Got my Watco J chain, black and blue. Found this, lost it. Found it, my body on chain with a fist there and a compass. Black B chain. Got a dumbbell chain. Then got my real silver bracelet. All of my Jamaican bracelets. Fake silver bracelet. East Edinburgh bracelet. Got my Tommy Hilfiger. Hold on. J chain, that's all. J chain. with my lock on there as well. I'll tuck this one in. I've got my toy figure ball bracelet. What's it? Cat T-shirts bracelet, white collared, green bracelet. My grey, black, and red Nike bracelet I found. Then I've got this Paris Saint-Germain hoodie. It's all Saint-Germain hoodie. With the what's it? Jordan sponsor there. Then I've got this Jordan Nike jersey with it. Look at poking out Nike bit there, black, red. Yep, goes with the fit. And look, end up putting the hood up as well. Fucking sick. With my fucking, what's it? It's my silver and black Nike cap. And then it got a bit hot. I am fucking hot and sexy. Real last Jordan. I paid like 50, 60 quid for this. Get the gains out. Yep. Real last Jordan jersey. Yep. Nike Jordan jersey. It's got all the fucking things out. Got the fucking NBA logo, Nike, balls, 23, stripe, pinstripe. Yep, it's fucking sick. Fuck. And then I've got these Nike Arse tennis Nike beige, black and yellow. The red there. Yep, goes perfect. Sick, I reckon. Underneath the fucking long ass fucking jersey. Fucking love to fit this jersey. Jersey fucking banging. Look back. Look at the back. Gains. Yep. Now I've got my red and white bandanas. Black Nike socks with my fucking sexy ass. Pattern leather Jordan 1s, I think they are. Meant to be 125. Got for 70. Something like that. Or 270 on that, but I was supposed to be rolled here. Yeah. Fucking sexy as fuck, look, dude. Got the gum outsole. A grey gum outsole. White and black. Real these are. Make sure they're real. Got on clearance on the outlet. Down at Ashford Outlet. You know what I mean? If you know what Ashford Outlet is, you know. I think that's the outlet. Yeah, it's my fit. Fucking dope as fuck. And I wore that because it's got the fucking knot there. And sponsored by Jordan, hand in hand. Let's go work out. But I'm not going to show you my workout because it's the same as earlier. I'm definitely going to go in there and work out. Best believe. Can't not work out late at night. But out after dinner. Can't do it. Have to. So I guess it will. I'm dumb. I'm gonna work out in these. No, I'm not. I'm fucking dumb. Work out in them. As you see, I've got the top off. Actually, I'm going to the gym. There. There's the gym. There. Gotta go in there. Fucking work out. Do my cardio. That's it. I'm going to the gym.